been to the market and I've bought some really nice fresh vegetables. I'm planning on making a salad in a few days' time, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my VitaFresh drawer and I'm going to use them later in the week. The great thing about VitaFresh is it's temperature and humidity controlled, so it means that my fruit and vegetables stay fresher for up to 3 times longer. I'm making a side salad for this evening's meal. I've not had to go shopping again and even the lettuce has stayed lovely and crisp. I've got some nice fresh tomatoes and some red onion, and I'm just going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the top. And then for the finishing touches, as you can see, the basil is not wilted. I've kept it in the VitaFresh drawer so it's lovely, fresh and vibrant as the day I bought it. So I'm going to garnish with some lovely freshly torn basil. Looks absolutely delicious. And there we have it, our colourful crisp tomato salad, all thanks to VitaFresh.